Blushers, welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are brand new, my name is Leah. It's great to have you guys here, and today's video is really exciting because I'm doing a part 3 of my weird Amazon stress relievers video, and you guys seem to really like my first 2, so I wanted to bring you guys a third one. So if you guys haven't seen my first 2 videos, then check those out right here. I will have them linked down below. But yeah, I have 10 more weird Amazon stress relievers that I found on the Amazon. So if you guys want to see 10 more weird stress relievers from Amazon, then just keep on watching. Let's go. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab something from this box and we'll see what it is. Let's see what this first thing is. It says it's a magnetic sculpture, Weightlifters. I don't even remember ordering this. Oh, okay, yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, I thought I ordered butterflies, but it says it's magnetic Weightlifters. So it comes with all these little magnetic butterflies, and then I think we just have to like make a sculpture with them. And, like, ooh! So you just kind of, oh my gosh, wait. You can kind of like have them standing up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh, upside down. Okay, that's where it's at. You have to kind of like hold them in place. Oh, that was good. No! No! Okay, I was able to get it up a little bit, but then it all came crumbling down like my life. A good representation of my life. Every time I try to get up, just all comes crashing down. Moving on to the second one. Let's see what we got here. I'm very excited about this. It comes with a little bit of prep. I need to put things together. So it comes with some basketballs. Oh gosh, how do you do this? I should have thrown the instruction box. So gotta follow along the instructions here. 2-point shot right up there in the front. So it has a little like shifter right down here, which is nice, and then you can kind of make it go higher or make it go shorter depending on pushing this little lever. So it has 6 little balls, so we're gonna see if I can get some shots in. Nope. Okay, I'm trying to get the 3. Let me put this one back a little bit. I got it! I'm so good! Okay, I don't like how it gets stuck there, but like, whatever. Got it, oh my gosh. Okay, let's see if I can get like 2 in a row. Let's see if I can get 3 in a row. This is so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so good. Okay, I was on a roll. I definitely give this a thumbs up. 10 out of 10. I definitely would recommend this. So if you guys want this in your life, or you want this for somebody else in your life, go check it out. I'm gonna have all the links to all of the Amazon products that I talk about down below. But yeah, this basketball game is a hit. I like it. It's so fun. Okay, moving on to the third item. Let's see what we got here. Okay, this is the dynamic balancing instrument. It looks like this. The first thing I noticed is these are so light. Like, these are not like metal at all. These are just like plastic or something. The next item we got here is a nice little balancing act. This little guy. So then I think all you got to do is balance it. Did we finish it? Did we achieve our goals? I thought there was gonna be more to this. I kinda wanna see if it'll balance my finger. Got it. I mean, this was underneath like the category of stress reliever, so I don't know if this is like an adult stress reliever where you just let, you know, like stick it on your desk, you know, let it do its thing. I don't know. We got the big one. This is the biggest one that I have, and I'm so excited about this one because in my last Amazon stress relievers, I had like a Zen Garden. But this is like a 2.0 because this is a beach sand play kit. This is like another Zen Garden, but it's like a beach themed. So what's more relaxing than a beach? I don't really know. So we're gonna dig into this and see what it looks like. Okay, so it comes with a little pail. Okay, then. Nothing's even, okay, I don't know what's going on. Then we have a little rake. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, a little boat. This is so cute. And then we got another shell and one of those floaty rings. Inside comes with a ton of sand. That would be cool if my name was Kenley, but it's definitely not Kenley. I don't know if that's like the name of the brand or something, but how fun would that be if your name is Kenley and you're like, how did you know? That would actually be kind of creepy. First step is to put all of the sand inside of this box. Now we're gonna make some designs. Okay, there you have it. I finished my beach-themed Zen garden. This was very fun, very enjoyable. I did like this one a lot. I will say the sand is like true sand that you would find at the beach, which, I mean, I get the whole, you know, sticking with the theme going on here, but I feel like it's not as like satisfying seeing the little designs because it is so coarse, but I do really like this a lot. And to go along with this, I have another stress reliever that I went ahead and got because I thought it would be so satisfying with this. These mini Zen Garden sand stamps. So I'm gonna take off all of these things that I put on it, and we're gonna try out these sand stamps because they look so satisfying to like stick in the sand. Wow, it actually came with a lot more than I thought. So it came with 8 of them. They all have different shapes, so you just stick it in the sand and it makes the shape. So yeah, let's see how well this works. Oh. So I just brought out my last Zen garden that I had from my last video, and this sand is a lot more fine, so we'll see if the pressing is a lot more satisfying for this kind of sand. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. That one's so pretty. Oh, let's try this one. Ooh, that one's so pretty. I think that one's my favorite. This looks like a sand dollar one. Ooh, I like that one. That one's so pretty. Let's try this one. That one's not as pretty. This one's okay. Overall, I think this is a great product. If you guys are into Zen gardens, I would definitely suggest picking some of these up just to, you know, give yourself some variety in your life. You know, we always need some variety. Okay, I don't even know what number we're on, but let's go ahead and pick out our next one. This is called a fancy home fidget. You know, Amazon always has the weirdest names, or like they have like 50 names attached to it. Okay, so this is like a ghetto fidget spinner. I don't know. Honestly, this just looks like rubber bands and like metal pieces like put together, and then you're supposed to just like fidget with it. I'm not a fan of this. I think this is not good. Okay. Also, in my last video, people were like hating on me because they're like, you need to like read the directions and figure out how to do this. But like this has no directions and I don't know how to do it. So sorry. Don't hate me. on to the next one. Here we go. Okay, so for the first video, we had Panic Pete.
Panic Pete, I give you a 5, man.
Love that guy. The second one, we had the brain exploding with the eyes popping out. What is going on? What is life? This one, you know, this one's just a potato, and I'm not sure which one I like the best. I'm leaning towards a potato just because it looks very realistic, and you can squeeze it, and it's just like, if you have this anywhere in public and you're just squeezing it, people will be so confused. They'll be like, what are you doing? And you'll be like, I'm squeezing a potato, and it's really fun, and stop bothering me. Bye. Okay, so this is a representation of my life right here. This is we will call this Leah. I'm a potato, and this is also a potato, and we're the same thing, so love that for us. Well, I'm a potato now, but once 2019 hits, I'm not gonna be a potato anymore, okay? So for now, I'm just gonna stress relieve my way through the new year and be like, I'm not a potato, okay? I'm not a potato. Next thing we have is this golden mandala lotus flower relief intellectual puzzle. Wow, I cannot wait to be more intellectual. Intellectual. I can't even say that word. I can't wait to be more smart. Okay, watch this. Guys, I actually remember having this. I remember having this when I was a child. I love this thing so much. So, it's so fun. Okay, so you just like, you can make it like that. And then you can make it big. Then you can even do it like that. This is so fun. Do you guys remember having this when you guys were kids? It's just like so mesmerizing. Okay, this thing is actually super fun. I enjoy this a lot, actually. This is just a good time. This reminds me, this like brings me back to my childhood though, because we used to have this. I don't even know what I thought it was as a child. I thought it was just like really cool. Give this to your child if you want them to like, you know, not bug you for like 2 minutes. This will probably do the trick, but no guarantees after 2 minutes. You know, they're probably gonna get bored, but that's not my problem. That's your problem. I think they were saying that. So this is the magnetic putty. Okay, this, if you guys saw my last video, well, it was my Wish video. I've done 2 Amazon stress relieving videos, and I've done 1 Wish stress relieving video, and the Wish one was a complete fail. Like, it was so bad. Like, what? They had something very similar to this one that I got on Wish. So let's see if this one is better than the Wish one. Basically what it is this putty, which this is already way better than Wish, because Wish's was like sticking, it was disgusting. It was like sticking everywhere. So you have your magnetic putty, and then I don't know why the Wish one came with little eyes too. I don't know, you just stick them on there. They're like little eyeballs. Okay, so overall, I definitely give this one a lot better rating than the Wish one. I don't really get the eyeball thing. I don't remember how much this one costs, but if it's anything more than like $5, I wouldn't waste your money, but I think it's kind of interesting, kind of fun. Okay, so I had to get another Zen Garden because I thought this one was so cute. It's another beach one, but this is more of like a mermaid themed one, and I just think it's so cute. So let's open this thing up. And this was actually really inexpensive. I think this was only $10. So if this one was good, this one could be like the best Zen Garden. Dang, I should have done like a top 10 Zen Garden video. Let me know if you guys want to see that actually, because I could still do that. But there's like so many different Zen Gardens on Amazon. It's crazy. Okay, so it comes with this cute little tray, and then we also have some blue water sand. Well, this is sand, but it's supposed to be like water. And then we have a little mermaid figurine, and then a little coral figurine. And we have a shell and 2 little like rock things, as well as a rake. Okay, there you have it. I made this Mermaid Zen Garden, and I think this one was actually one of my favorite Zen Gardens that I've reviewed on this channel before because I love the blue aspect of it. I think it's so pretty. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me, and this was only $10. So again, I will leave the links down below. So that completes another one of my weird Amazon stress relieving videos. If you guys want to check out my other two, I will have a playlist down below along with my Wish stress relieving video. And yeah, if you guys want me to continue making these videos, I definitely will. I will try to find some more on Amazon. I hope you guys all have a great day. Thank you guys for watching. Also, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it is Keep Calm and Blush On. And make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. I also have a vlog channel. Check all of my links out down below. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys all have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Peace and blessings.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down.